1999 Chevy Astro van. They had problems with the fuel gauge staying all the way up. I figured out what's wrong with mine. I overfilled the gas tank and I didn't drive it that much. That's why it hasn't moved. This van's really easy on gas. Today I drove a lot and it started moving. It moved a little, not that much. This van will get 26 on the highway. If I go 55 on the highway with the AC off, it'll get 26 miles a gallon. They're good vans. The other problem with this oil pressure, look at that. That's low. I don't like that at all. When you give it the gas, it comes up though, watch. They come all the way up almost at 40, 35. I wish I had 60 pounds oil pressure. And problems with the Astro van. What else? The temperature seems to be good. And the other one, oh, this stupid light comes on too. It says check gauges. These vans were lemons. This one's got 325,000 miles. It's coming up on 326,000. They changed the engine and transmission in it. I think they might have put a crate motor in it, but I don't know.